I needed soap and a container and a mixing tool. So we're gonna, oh. Okay, I got another one anyway. So this one, who cares? I'm gonna be adding it to the bowl. Okay, I'm probably gonna add like a little more. Okay, that's a little lot. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Okay. Oh, make sure like there's no lead coming out. So I'm just gonna take the rest of this one. Okay, just leave it there. Okay, so I'm gonna like mix it a little bit. Make sure I get everything, because I don't want to have like only a little bit of slime. Even though this might be a little, I don't want to, oh, I guess I have to go in with my hands because it wasn't going with the mixing tool. So I guess I have to do it with my hands. Oh my god, I should have got a napkin. Okay, let's take it out of my pants. Okay, so for right now, it's a lot. And I got these two little bowls, two little things, so when I put it in the freezer for a little bit, I'm going there separately. So I'm just gonna mix it for a little bit. Not gonna be a lot. So once it gets like a little more better, and yes, there will be another part 2 of this. So stay tuned. Oh my god, this kind of looks cool. It looks like I feel like it's gonna be jiggly slime. And make sure you get that one because that one's really good and it's like the texture is really good. Okay, so okay, I think, oh my god, it almost fell. So once it gets a lot bubbly, you're gonna wanna put it in the bowls now. I hope it all fits in there. Oh my god, it just dropped. Sun just dropped. Okay. Sorry if you're hearing the noise in the back. That's my sister. So I'm gonna do this one, the little one first, or should I do the big one? I'm gonna do the little one. I'm gonna do it. Oh my god, this one has soap in it, and I don't want it to have soap. I know what to do. Cause like the soap, like if you seen my last video, the soap messed it up so fast. It's so bad that you can't even call it slime. Like all you could just call it was water. Like it felt like water too. So I'm gonna put this one in first. Put this all. And if it all fits in there, I might as well all put it in here. Cause oh my god, this one has soap too. I don't want it to have soap. I think they all. I don't know how these have soap in it. Or did I do this? I don't know. Okay. I hope that doesn't mess up the slime. Okay, that one's still good. I'm gonna try to get all of it in here. Okay. If this all fits, I'm probably gonna put that in there too. So I'll have to use 2. I don't think it's all gonna fit. I'm gonna take it down with my hands. Okay. Because last time when I took it down with my hands, there's a lot left. And I want to make sure I get all of it. So I won't be wasting. Oh my god, look how much there was up there. There's a lot up there. So yeah, probably gonna add them together, so it won't be that much work. Oh my god, I'm not even getting half of it in the bowl. I'm making a huge mess. Like, not even blind I am. Okay. Oh man. Probably gonna add a little more in there. That was the whole thing. Just gonna add the whole thing then. So since I'm doing that, I gotta mix it again, so I'm put it back in here. And yes, I'm probably going to have to use the other bowl. Now that I added it, oh my god, this is a lot of slime. And it might not even work to I mean, I'm gonna try my best to make it work, but I honestly don't think. I mean, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do the big one first. Cause I don't want it to be really full and stuff, and then it not work and stuff. And I have the rest in here. Cause I'm gonna do tons of extra work. Okay. Put out a little bit in the big one. Okay. So now I'm gonna put the tops on them. Okay, bye guys. Hope you guys come back for part 2. Bye.